Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at these binoculars that have a viewfinder. So it's basically a digital binoculars. As you can see, you can even put a memory card in there, it looks like, and save what you're looking at. So this is very important if you're a bird watcher, if you just want to look at things very far away and save them. Usually you can't do that with normal binoculars. So the box comes with the binoculars themselves inside this nice carry pouch. And then it comes with this user manual here. And then it comes with this cloth here for wiping off the lenses or the screen, and then a mini USB cable. Here's a quick look at some of the specifications and basically everything that this user manual has to offer. Pretty basic use overall. And then taking a look at the binoculars themselves, you can see it has this nice strap for putting around your neck. Here you've got the power button, you've got the shutter button, you've got the usual adjustable knob there. You've got a menu button. You've got a mode button, then you've got an up and down button for navigating through the screen. You've got a reset button. You even got a microphone right here. So that ensures that you will be able to record audio, I guess, when you're taking the video. You got the slot there for the mini USB. And then here you got a micro SD card, 32 gigabytes included. So that's very nice. Then underneath you got a spot to even put a tripod on so you can keep this thing perfectly steady while you are looking. Let's go ahead and power this thing up. So there's the screen, as you can see right there, pretty responsive. I'm gonna go ahead and try taking a picture. Looks like it's recording a video actually when I push the shutter button. So you can see in the corner there, it's recording at 1080p. So that's very impressive, full HD quality. Let's see what this does. All right, so we can look at some settings here. Video resolution, photo resolution. So all the basic stuff you wanna see. It looks like the menu button kind of takes you out of the menu. So it's all pretty basic functionality there. And this button right here will allow you to zoom in. So as you can see, 8 times. Looks like that's the maximum, 4 times, 2 times, and normal. So it's basically like a really good video camera, but it also functions as binoculars, as you can see here. You can see you're in video mode because of that. And all you have to do is push the menu button and it'll transfer you to picture mode, and you can see 12 megapixels, and then you can zoom in the same like on a video. Overall, these are a very impressive pair of binoculars, and I really like the video recording functionality. Overall, I would highly recommend these. Thanks for watching.